absolutely, and we're already starting to see those dangers ramp up here this season, of course. Very heavy snow the past couple of weeks is great for ski resorts here like Eldora, opening up earlier. Keystone Steamboat seeing record amounts of snowfall in October, but with that increased snow comes an increased risk for avalanches. Of course, it only takes about 10 inches of snow on a slope for avalanches to occur, and of course, last season was a dangerous one. Hundreds of avalanches across our state. We know that 8 people unfortunately died in avalanches here in Colorado. Now, the first avalanche last season started on October 15th, so at least this season we are past that date. But if you're planning on doing any type of skiing or just traveling in general up in the high country this weekend, for the central and northern mountains, that avalanche risk is a little bit higher. It's at a moderate, so that is something that we'll watch very closely for you as we head through the weekend. But a good reminder, it is that time of year. If you're going to be doing any traveling, avalanche mitigation work will be possible. Closures on major highways and interstates will be possible. Just make sure you've got a lot of warm layers and extra food and water in your car just in case you get stuck in some of those backups. We're live up here at Eldora. Meteorologist Chris